Hello viewers, after a long gap I am back. Hope you have enjoyed Durga Puja and Navratri also. Today this is Diwali special. I am going to show you printed silk and some cotton materials. Let's start. Sari number 1. This is a new material, pure silk with broad check. See. This is Palla portion. I will show you the material. This is Palla portion. This is also pure silk with silk mark certification, but the price is 3,200. This is the look. You can see the material. There are checks. See, this is not plain material. There are checks, but on pure silk. This is entirely a new material. At least I am showing it first time. Pure silk. This is the entire sari, yellow with both sides, two types of border. See, upper border is like this and this is the lower border. This is the lower border with temple. And the blouse piece is printed. See, this is the blouse piece with gun spray. Printed blouse piece. The price is 3,200. The price is 3,200. So these silks are silk mark certified. Sari number 2. This is also same thing. Today I will show you 10 this check silks, pure check silks with broad checks. See, this is Palla portion. The base color is grey. In the aanchal there are rani, orange and brown color with discharge print, and the entire sari will be like this. The base color will be grey. See, this is the look of the sari and the price is 3,200. Price is 3,200. See, it will be the look, and the blouse piece is with gun spray. See, this is the blouse piece. Again, price is 3,200. This is Diwali offer, so you people are getting these sarees at 3,200. Now sari number 3. This is also ornamental. Palla portion. It will come in the palla, and see the design is diagonal. The design is diagonal. This is the look. It will be the look. Price 3,200. Price is 3,200, and the blouse piece is, this is the blouse piece, and the color of the sari is Rama green. You can say this color is Rama green. Next one, sari number 4. Same material with different print. See, it is aanchal portion. Palla portion will be like this, and the entire body, this is the entire body. The color is very rich, shaded color with magenta and rani with discharge print and both side borders. And the blouse piece of this sari is printed one. This is the blouse piece of the sari. Price 3,200. Sari number 5 with blue combination. Viewers, if you like this program, share with your friends. Press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode, and definitely subscribe. Palla portion of this sari, and the entire body is like this. This is the entire body. I will show you. It will come like this way. It will be like this way. Very ornamental. The color is turquoise blue. The color is turquoise blue. Again, broad check silk material. This is the look. Price 3,200, and this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece with gun spray. Sari number 6, it is also very interesting and very rich looking. The color is peach. Aanchal portion. Palla portion will be like this, plain with this border at the end of the palla, and the entire sari is like this. Entire sari will be like this. This is the entire sari. Very rich and very nice looking. The material is also very comfortable and pure one. Pure silk with silk mark certification. The broad checks are there. And this is the blouse piece. Peach color is the blouse piece. Price is again 3,200. Sari number 7. This is also the same thing with different print. Palla portion. Palla portion will be like this. This is the half sari. In the front portion it will be like this, and on pleats this design will come. This will come on pleats, kuchi. See, it will be the look. And the blouse piece is, this color is also wine color, you can say, magenta you can say, and the blouse piece is turquoise blue. Price again 3,200. Next one with green combination. This is palla. Palla portion. Aanchal will be like this. It will come in front. This is the front portion. This is front portion. And on pleats again this design will come. See, this is pleats portion. The color is green. This is moss green. Color is moss green, and the blouse piece is also with the gun spray. Price 3,200 and with the silk mark certification. Sari number 9. Palla portion is grey with red combination. Grey with red. This is the entire sari. The entire sari is red with both side border. With both side border, the color is red. And you can see the texture of the material. I think you can see the texture of the material. And this is the blouse piece. Grey color is the blouse piece. Price again 3,200. The last one on check silk, broad check silk. Palla portion, aanchal. This is aanchal portion. Half sari is with this. In the front portion it will come half sari with this print, with this border and color, and the rest half will be like this. And the rest half will be like this with this panel work. And the blouse piece is also blue. This is the blouse piece, turquoise blue. I will show it in this way. See, it will be the look of the sari, so that you can easily understand. This is half and half. See, it will be the look. I think it can explain you. This is Tasar print. Palla portion is red with entire body with black print and both side border, red yellow border, and the blouse piece is also red. This is the blouse piece. I will show you in this way. This is Tasar print, Gachi Tasar print. Price is 4,300 with silk mark certification. This is Tasar print. Base color is virgin color with both side border. Now another Tasar print. This is grey and blue combination. Grey and blue combination. Very sober look. Palla portion. This is Palla portion. The entire sari is half with grey and blue combination. With upper portion is blue, midnight blue, lower portion is grey. This is the entire sari. The look of the entire sari is like this. And the blouse piece of this sari is printed one. Grey color with printed block. Price is again 4,300. This is another one, grey with yellow. Aanchal portion. Aanchal portion, this is Palla portion, and the entire sari is half and half like this way with yellow color and grey color. Lower portion is grey, upper portion is yellow. This is the look of the sari, and the blouse piece is also grey. I will show you. The look will be like this. This is the look of the sari. Price again 4,300. Next one. This is also 4,300. Aanchal portion. Palla portion will be like this. Palla portion will be like this, and the body is with both side border and this print. Body will be both side border and this print. The color of the sari, you can say mud color with both side peach color border. This is not red, this is peach color, deep peach color border. I am clarifying the colors because there are some confusions sometimes arises due to color. This is deep peach color, and the blouse piece is also peach. This is the blouse piece, also peach. Price is 4,300. Last Tasar print. This is, see, Aanchal portion with gun spray and rainbow print. See, from Aanchal this design will go diagonally like this way. The color is blue, deep blue. This is the portion, body. Material is pure Tasar, and this is the blouse piece. Red color is the blouse piece. Price again 4,300. All the silks and Tasars are silk mark certified. Now I will show you some cotton saris also. For gift purpose you can think. See, this is Bengal cotton. It will be the look. Yellow. Let me show you the entire sari. This will be the look. Yellow color with both side border. This is machine embroidery. This is machine embroidery, and the price is 2,000. Price is only 2,000. The entire sari is like this. Entire sari with both side border and buta, and there is a blouse piece also of Rani color. This is a blouse piece with this work. Price is only 2,000. 2,000 is the discounted price. The color is yellow. Now this is green color, similar type, different design. See, it will be the look. See, green color with red border and red design, and the blouse piece of this sari is also red, and the blouse piece of this sari is also red. This is the blouse piece, and the price is again 2,000. 2000 is the discounted price. These all are Bengal cotton with machine embroidery. For gift purpose, these are ideal. Now I will show you one check silk. Price of this saree is 2450. This is also machine embroidery, but see the color, light green, pista green you can say. This is the check silk, sorry, resham check. Material is resham check. Color is pista green. Half saree will be with this jal work, with this work, and the rest half with this skirt border. This is the look of the saree, and the price is 2450. 2450. Next one, this is also another resham check. See, with roses. This is also machine embroidery, and the price is 2650. Price is 2650. See, the half saree with this work and half with skirt border. You can see the volume of work. The base color is cream. This is the base color. Base color is cream, and there is a blouse piece also. Here is the blouse piece with the piping only. With this piping, the price of this saree is 2650. Viewers, you have seen my 53rd episode. If you like, please share with your friends, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the next episode. My phone number is 9330866384.